Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Hugo and today we're going to see two stocks for this week. We're not going to have more stocks for this week, only these two on the medium market cap. Although this is going to be a little bit shorter because this is the second time that I'm recording this because I forgot to turn on the microphone on the first try. So stay with me. Let's have a look. So one of the tickers that we're going to talk this week, it's restaurants, which you see here on the thumbnail, and also another ticket that I spoke last week. So now let's have a look. So we're going to start this week with the ticker LTC.US. Don't confuse with the crypto LTC. This is a healthcare REIT. They operate on the real estate and they pay a dividend yield of 6.21% monthly. And comparing this with another ticket that I have on my portfolio, which is MPW, they also a REIT on their healthcare, but they pay quarterly. This one pays monthly, as I mentioned already, and they ex-dividend date on the 20th of October. They are undervalued in 60.7%. The future growth, it's 8.7%, minus 8.7%. So it's not going to be great. And the past performance was minus 10.9% as well. The financial health, we have a score of 2 of 6, meaning they only cover 2 is the debt reduction and the other one is the interest coverage, meaning that they going to maintain to pay this high dividend yield of 6.21%. The market sentiment, we have a hold, but have in consideration the fact that they have here a future growth of minus 8.7%. That doesn't match with the growth that we are having on the stock from the year to date. Most of the market went down around 25%, minus 25%. The US market, some markets a little bit more, and European markets as well. And this stock went up in 6.9%. This stock, I do believe, even with a future growth of minus 8.7% as is projected, I do believe that we going to have a cover here with the increase of the stock because they are still growing. And comparing with the entire market is going exactly the opposite way. And in the past 7 days, we have an increase of 1.4%, which is amazing. Although having this future growth here of minus 8.7%, I do think it's not too much of a concern since the stock is going up in the past year and in the crisis that we are at the moment. So COVID and the war in Ukraine, this stock still goes up with a 6.9% from year to date. So I do believe it's a great stock to have on your portfolio, and I'll do maintain on my portfolio as well. The next ticker is going to be CBRL, or Cracker Barrel Old Country Store. They are more well known as a Cracker Barrel. They are a restaurant and a gift shop, and they operate mainly in the United States, although they have some restaurants as well in the United Kingdom. The dividend yield is 5.61%, and comparing this restaurant chain with other restaurant chains like McDonald's, they pay to double the dividend yield of McDonald's. McDonald's is around 2.6%, and this one is 6.61%, which is more than double. They pay quarterly, January, April, July, and October. The ex-dividend date is going to be on the 20th of October, so you still have time to buy it. If you're going to buy this in eToro, you'll need the 2 days at least to buy it. They are undervalued 39.6% and the future growth of 13.1%. Although the past performance was quite bad of 13.9%, but this is understandable because they had most of the restaurants closed due to COVID, and that's why the past performance was quite bad. In terms of financial health, we have a 2 of 6, and also here we have 2 indicators quite important, which are the debt reduction and also the interest coverage, which are 2 indicators that tell us that they're going to maintain this high dividend yield and continue paying. Although they didn't pay during this period, so we have here a gap of 2 years that they didn't pay any dividend yield. So as soon as the COVID got in, they stopped paying the dividends and they closed most of the restaurants. It's quite understandable. So, and in terms of assets, they have 370 million, and in terms of liabilities, around 515 million. The market sentiment, we still have a hold, and in the past year, they went down minus 28%. This is due to several factors, and one of them was COVID. So this is quite understandable that they are still trying to recover from COVID, and that's why we have here future growth of 13%. And in the past 7 days, we had a growth of 6.1%, which is quite good comparing to the rest of the market, which is going down. So, overall, it's a good stock to have on your portfolio if you don't have anything in the restaurant industry or in the consumer services like McDonald's or whatever. So this could be a good stock to have. Okay, guys, this one was a little bit shorter. I didn't have time to edit and do the entire video. So once again, guys, please help me to support this channel by subscribing my channel. If you want me to discuss any stock, please leave a comment there, and I'll try to bring it for the next video and do the same analysis that I do on this one. Once again, guys, thank you, cheers, and have a nice one. Bye-bye.